Getting started the right way. Understanding what Internet marketing means. Internet marketing is the umbrella term used for a collection of ways in which products and services are sold over the Internet. It is also known variably as online marketing and web marketing, and sometimes as digital marketing. To put it as a definition, Internet marketing is the art of advertising and marketing goods and services through the Internet. This is normally done through the use of placing advertisements on websites that are on the Internet. These websites will vary according to the goods and services that they are offering. Therefore, adverts are placed according to the sites that have similar content. Internet marketing started off when people realized that there was a lot of marketing potential on the Internet. This being the case, people had to advertise their goods and services on the Internet to get a larger amount of clientele. Most of the individuals and companies that started Internet marketing were those that were targeting international clientele. Advertising using print and electronic media in every country had proved to be cumbersome. It also proved to be a difficult task. Nevertheless, with the introduction of the Internet, a solution was seen to be possible. The Internet marketing world has blossomed in the last decades of the 20th century. It is a relatively new world, but more and more people are getting warmed up to the concept in recent times. Now, there are different ways in which money can be made over the Internet. All of these techniques could be combined under the collective definition of Internet marketing. The definition also expands to include all the different models in which the businesses are carried out. Taking that into account, there are different types of Internet marketing models. The following are some of the common ways in which Internet marketing is carried out in today's times. Via e-commerce. E-commerce is a method in which products and services are sold to the consumer directly, without employing any intermediary agency. Hence, if you are buying something through an online website directly, then you are using an e-commerce website. Generally, e-commerce websites have a typical layout. They will most definitely have a catalog of the products on their website, with detailed descriptions of all these products. Next, they will have a shopping cart. You can select the products and they enter the shopping cart. The shopping cart feature is generally used when there is more than one product on the website. When you are checking out, you are prompted to pay for your purchases through a variety of methods. All e-commerce websites have their own membership options. You will have to make an account on these websites to access them and then use your login information to sign in whenever you want to make a purchase through these websites.